Welcome to Bright Kids World!
A for apple, shiny red and sweet. B for bird, singing on the street. C for cat, soft and warm. D for dolphin, ocean charm. E for earth, round and blue. F for fog, floating through. G for giraffe, tall and kind. H for heart, love we find. I for ice cream, cold and yum. J for juice, sip and hum. K for key, open the door. L for leaf, falling slow. M for mouse, small and quick. N for notebook, page to pick. O for owl, wise at night. P for pig, pink and bright. Q for queen, crowned so fine. R for ring, round and shine. S for sun, up so high. T for tree, touch the sky. U for umbrella, rainy day. V for violet, purple play. W for watermelon, big and sweet. X for xylophone, tap the beat. Y for yacht, sailing free. Z for zebra, stripy and happy.